In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to prevent spam on WordPress, step by step. So let's get started. So from your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and select Add New. Now go to Search bar and here search for spam. Now you get all the related results. Let's install the first one in the list. Once installed, click on this Activate button to activate the plugin. Here check this box to accept their license agreement. Then click on this Get Access Key Automatically button. Then again click on it after this green arrow appears. So now it is synchronizing it with cloud. Once done, wait a few seconds and you can see that the protection is active for registration forms, comments forms, contact forms, custom contact forms, validate email for existence. Below you also have advanced settings option. Check all these boxes and save changes. So now your settings is saved. Thank you for watching.
Struggling with WordPress? WP Learning 101 is your solution. Our free training is perfect for WordPress beginners. Click the link below to join WPLearning101.com and start mastering WordPress today.